So,
Hi! Today, I will going to discuss about the different kinds of sewing machine. So first, what is a sewing machine? A sewing machine is a machine with mechanically driven needle for sewing or stitching cloth. The first kind of sewing machine we were going to discuss is the lap stitch sewing machine. This is the lap stitch sewing machine. As you can see, the lap stitch sewing machine is the most common mechanical sewing machine, which uses two threads on upper and a lower, the needle having the eye in the base. The next kind of sewing machine is the high-speed lock stitch sewing machine. High-speed sewing machine is the most common machine for woven garments and is more sealed when it comes in sewing. The third one is the over-edging machine, and this is what the over-edging machine looks like. The over-edging machine is a machine tool with a revolving cutter for dressing edges as of boards or metal plates. The fourth one is the embroidery machine, and this is what the embroidery machine looks like. The embroidery machine can add beauty and theme detail to anything you sew. The next one is the buttonhole machine. The buttonhole machine is a machine for cutting, sewing, and finishing buttonholes in leather and fabrics. This kind of sewing machine is the button attaching machine. The button attaching machine is a special type of machine which is used in garment industries to attach buttons. Next one is the double needle machine. As you can see on its name, the double needle machine uses two bobbins and two needles. The next one is the bar tacking machine. The bar tacking machine contains one needle and one bobbin, which is used for sewing both woven and knitted garments. The last one is the zigzag lock stitch sewing machine, and this is what the zigzag lock stitch sewing machine looks like. The zigzag sewing machine moves from side to side instead of creating a straight stitch. The next one is the flat lock sewing machine. The flat lock sewing machine are well known for handling all types of fabric, weights, and thickness. And that's all the kinds of sewing machine. I hope you learned something from me, and thank you!